The number one thing when it comes to our diet that we are missing the most is the consumption of fiber, this nutrient that exists in all plant-based foods: fruits, vegetables, whole grain, seeds, nuts, legumes, spices, herbs. Our human body lacks the ability to process and digest fiber. It arrives in the colon, which is where these 38 trillion microorganisms live, where we lack the enzymes. They have literally, Matt, there's estimates that they have 60,000.
We can't even eat our own food unless we have these creatures digesting it for us.
It's very true. They take this fiber, they're going to transform it into what are called the short chain fatty acids. Of all of the things that I've ever come across in the entirety of my career, these are the most anti-inflammatory thing. And they have healing effects on your digestion, your metabolism, your immune system, hormones, your mood, and your brain health. And 95% of America is deficient in fiber. This is our most pressing deficiency. And no one is talking about it because fiber is not sexy. I'm here to say, actually, I disagree with that statement. I'm not talking about eating cardboard. I'm talking about delicious, colorful food. If we were to address this one issue, I'm of the belief we will have less heart disease, we will have less cancer, we will have less diabetes, we will have less strokes, we will have less Alzheimer's, we will have less chronic kidney disease. That's 6 of the top 10 causes of death, and I have the data to back me up on that.
There is so much medical misinformation. If I didn't know you or know you through other credible sources, I might think you were a woo-woo guy on Instagram. How do you convince me that this is the real deal?
Published medical literature and the ability to refer to specific studies to back up your assertions. Now, don't get me wrong. What I just said could be manipulated and used against me. That one study that goes against 10,000 studies. It starts with this: a commitment to science and the scientific process. There's pitfalls all over the place. There's some people who are really good at sort of making things sound good. My goal is to help you to achieve better health outcomes. If I'm purely agenda driven, you will be able to predict what I'm going to say before I actually say it. But when I am data driven, then I will be able to turn to the study and you will hear that evolve as the data evolves, because the data always evolves.
Exactly.